What happened in the past few months, what happened in the past few years, if you know that well beforehand, that what is going to happen in near future, you will take appropriate measures. Correct? Yes?
So, few years back, like we could say, we are really flooded with data, but we are still starving for information. Unless the data is really used, okay, we cannot actually say we are doing anything, it's helping us in any decision making. So, coming back to data science, what exactly is data science? So, in its simplest ways, we can say data science is the science actually, or you can say a systematic approach, okay, of transforming the raw data that we have to extract some knowledge. We have databases. First we used to insist on normalized databases, then we said okay, denormalize or column oriented databases, big table, etc., etc. So there is a lot of research going on how to store this massive amount of data, okay, which is also challenging, and that should be scalable because the data that we gather will keep on increasing. Okay. So this will be here actually the computer science students there's a job opportunity, or you can say for them over there. So as a data scientist, there are different roles that will have to play on the real world problems, which will depend upon the domain. So if we consider educational domain, I think everybody or every faculty member or also students may be saying we are finding it difficult to be attentive in the class. That's the attention span of the students is reducing day by day. Okay, so if you want to find really the factors, this is the problem, let's say. The problem is the attention span of the students is reducing. They are finding it difficult. So what are the reasons? This is the problem. So to solve this problem, what will have to be done is you have to collect all the data about that student. If I am talking about a particular student, let's say, it could be starting from the student's health. Okay, when I say health, it's not just physical health, the emotional factor also, or the mental health. Then there are different parameters again for the physical health. Okay, diet, then sleeping pattern, exercise, etc., etc. So you see that there are so many attributes. So the dimension of the data about that student is really increasing.